Hey guys, welcome back. We just arrived at the beach and today we're going spearfishing. Got my cousin over here, Thomas again, the beast, and we got Big Ruby joining us again. And this is the first time going spearfishing since the disaster. And if you haven't checked out that video, I'll post a bit here.
Oh, it's gonna crash on
But let's hope we catch some fish. Really nice and calm. A bit windy, but not too much swell, so we're gonna head down. Let's go! Let's go. Look at this dude. Here's our DIY float we made yesterday. Hopefully it doesn't flop.
I'm scared it's gonna fall down on me, man.
So we're heading down now to the Star of Greece, which is an old shipwreck. So once again, my camera froze in the water, so I couldn't film the cuttlefish being shot. And as soon as Thomas turned on his camera, it died as well. So unfortunately, this clip is all we've got of the cuttlefish in the water. Check this out. Whoa! Oh, how do I grab that? So once again, my camera got busted. Just like the dolphins, when it was in the water, it just freezes, so I gotta get that sorted out with GoPro. I was chasing the wrasse around for a bit, and all of a sudden, it went underneath this ledge. So I dove down underneath this ledge and I was looking for it, and all of a sudden, this Davy Jones popped out, and I shot it, and he just went everywhere. No one is ever safe around me. Rule number 1. Never sleep around Ethan Yo if you don't want to get filmed. So Christian just got back from Mount Gambier today. So I'm heading to his place right now to cook up this cuttlefish. Just arrived at Christian's. Got some crabs for him. Whoa. Oh, it's huge! Oh my god. Wait, hold it like vertically up. Like the one in the museum. Like the one in the museum. Ready? Yeah, I'll just take time. It looks big.
Hello! Such a big squeeze, cuttlefish.
Did you just catch this?
Yeah, I got it today.
Today?
Yeah.
Thank you, thank you.
Wow,
Oh, Master Chef.
What are the fun now? I think it's going to be pretty similar to cleaning a squid. So we're just going to reach up in there. There it comes. There we go. So that's all the guts in there. And we still got, we can cut off the tentacles though.
Yeah.
You can eat those.
What's there?
Wow.
This makes up for all the squid that I haven't caught.
Here's your
souvenir.
That's sweet Johnson.
Amazing. Yeah, the flavour of cuttlefish is a cross between octopus and squid. They're fully flavoured than calamari, but not nearly as rich as their rivals, octopi.
We're gonna cut off each tentacle and then wrap it around the skewer, and we're gonna chuck it on the barbecue. And that'll be it.
Nice. Boom. You gotta give us an update. What's going on over here?
Till we win.
No.
So we're just gonna pop these skewers in some boiling water.
On to this one.
What do you mean?
What's this one?
Don't ask. So hopefully that will make them a little bit more tender. And we put them on the skewers first, just so they don't sort of curl up and lose shape. Do it. Alright, so we're just gonna chuck them on the barbecue. Put some salt, pepper, some onion on it.
A few moments later.
Barbecue squid. The tendon.
It's good. It should look professional, doesn't it? I'll do the presentation.
Boy, if you don't get.
We're gonna make it Cambodian style salt. Wait, like that?
Yeah, and then you put some pepper on. It's a down lemon. And you squeeze the leftovers in your eye. Or maybe don't put this in. What does it say?
Minimum no turbo. Is my hand in it?
Yes, your body. Okay, let's go away. Oh!
Cheers.
Dude, it's really good.
Really good actually.
Mine's salty, I like it. It's
Mine's
chewy.
chewy, so chewy.
I really like mine. I'm dipping the Cambodian salt.
Oh, very chewy.
Really? Mine's not chewy at all.
You're thin.
Bear? Yeah, this one's really chewy. Chewing gum for a bubba.
Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Weather's looking a lot better now, so hopefully we'll go out a lot more. We'll see you soon.
You gotta put your hand on the lens now.